up, vlog? I'm gonna let my girlfriend drive Super B to the ice cream shop.
Hey y'all, what's good?
Look, and then if you wanna,
Yeah, please.
how do you want it?
Like down. There you go. Windows, right?
No, leave them on. Oh.
No, if I'm driving, I'm not leaving them on. Shit.
Dude, you know how I be pulling in, going through the parking lot?
Uh-huh.
Do that.
I'm not finna go all the way. Listen, I got you, cuz. Okay.
All right.
Seatbelt.
I got mine.
Seatbelt.
I got mine as soon as I got the car.
Okay, hold on. Y'all. Okay. Oh. Batman.
Put on the brake.
Oh my god, y'all. I cannot believe this. Okay.
Alright, hold on. No. Let it warm up, babe.
Oh, okay.
Like, look, so when it gets up past that little bar, you gotta let them warm
Oh, that
up.
little bar?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Like, no, you don't worry about that. 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 You worry about that. That. See, I was at 102. It'll warm up and shit.
Okay.
But yeah. Basically, when that red line is up a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah. What you think so far?
It's cool.
How did it feel starting it up?
I feel like a beast.
Okay, Miss Red Key.
Uh-huh. I'm big dog today.
You're gonna use 500 horses.
That's crazy, y'all. He hoeing me. Turn it back. I'm playing, no. Keep it like that.
You gotta get.
He don't want me to get in 797 yet. I'm big dog.
Not yet, man. You gotta practice. This hellcat whipper.
Oh my gosh.
I wonder if eco mode gives you less horsepower. But I think it gives you the full.
Couldn't tell you, man.
Unlimited. When that gets to 110, we believe.
Sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. Make sure I don't hit my baby, y'all. That's my Hemi over there.
You got it. You got it, girl. Don't scare me, though.
Okay. Clean as fuck.
Oh, no, babe.
I wasn't gonna go yet, babe. Damn. Like, there's nobody coming, y'all. I'm watching. I was just gonna come up. That's it, babe. I'm easing on up. Hold on. I'm gonna stop. Because he just yelled at me. He scared me like I was gonna run somebody over or something.
Just want to get used to the brakes.
No, I appreciate that.
We're bitches is touchy.
Good after this car, babe?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. Hold on.
Yeah. You got no forces to beat that. Stop in front of you. Keep on.
I hope they don't gotta turn, because I know I feel bad for doing that. This is different from my car. Way freaking different, y'all. Like, this is big man car. Like, I don't know. Y'all go.
Could you drive this every day?
Hell no. I'm gonna leave it to my boyfriend. But this is cool though. We all getting sugar bomb?
You can hit the road.
Hit the road?
Yeah.
Not here. Everybody want to turn. Now? Yeah.
Open
She
yet?
ain't even open yet? The fuck?
What the fuck?
Okay. I guess not.
Never mind, no more sugar bomb.
No! Let's see what time she opens.
I thought it was 3.
Thought it was 3 too. Probably 4 o'clock. So we got a little over 40 minutes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Which is early. I want that Cookie Monster, y'all.
Yeah, yo, I want that s'mores. I want that s'mores. I want that s'mores.
Well, come on, I ain't got enough gas to sit here for 40 minutes.
Oh, my bad, babe. Miss SRT?
Miss SRT.
Miss SRT?
You gotta show this side. It says SRT on that side.
Alright, y'all. Let me stop.
You're funny as hell.
Okay. Seatbelt. Ain't going nowhere till that seatbelt on. Alright. Reverse.
No, go the other way.
Go this way?
Yeah. And hit the right after way. Slow. Now go.
muscle car. Like, it's too huge for me.
Too big?
Yeah, like, I don't know if I could drive this every day. This big dog. This big dog, yo. Come on, y'all. I'm gonna rev at y'all. I'm playing.
Not to put it in manual mode?
I do this to the thing? To the thing?
Actually, I'm gonna teach you another day. I'm gonna leave that for the part 2.
Okay.
Y'all get this like, you get this video to 300 likes, I'll let my girlfriend go in track mode.
Please, y'all,
and
please.
she can do manual mode.
Left? No, it's right.
Right.
Are you scared, babe?
I'm just enjoying the car.
Okay.
I'm enjoying it. You can be a driver. You can know how to drive.
Okay, I can go. Let me slow that shit down, because this line long. I was about to...
You like how the power feels, though?
Yes. It's cool. Like, I did it. I did that.
I should have put you in eco first, but that wouldn't be right. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.
I'm gonna catch y'all riding.